We are standing here in the spectacular, light-filled galleries of the Louvre Abu Dhabi, facing an absolute marvel of global humanistic transformation and artistic vision. The world in perspective capture an absolute, thrilling turning point of the 15th and 16th centuries. We are witnessing the momentous era when maritime trade routes, scientific breakthroughs, and cross-cultural hybridization permanently reshaped how humanity perceived itself and the cosmos. Following the fall of Constantinople in 1453 and Vasco da Gama's 1498 voyage to the Indies, old overland routes yielded to vast oceanic networks. This sparked an unprecedented cultural effervescence, triggering reinterpretations of luxury goods from Islamic ceramics to Venetian glassware and Delftware. Crucially, this visual revolution was powered by scientific cross-pollination. The arrival of Arab scientific works in Italy, most notably Ibn al-Haytham's groundbreaking treatises on optics, while the Islamic world applied geometry, or handasa, to manifest the boundless mathematical structure of the universe, European masters harnessed this optical science along the observer's axis of vision to invent linear perspective. Coupled with the adoption of oil paints, artists could now suggest subtle gradations of color and atmospheric depth. This was not merely a technical advancement, it was a radical philosophical rupture, the birth of new humanism. Human figuration was no longer confined to rigid symbolic allegory. Instead, art dared to capture the individual as such, reflecting a subjective vision of the world. In Europe, this pursuit of classical ideals gave rise to titan figures like Leonardo da Vinci, Raphael, and Michelangelo. Simultaneously, across the globe, the Ming and Qing dynasties in China underwent a parallel, radical renewal of forms, returning to ancient fountainheads to assert imperial legitimacy. Across continents, artists evolved into self-aware actors, imposing their individual vision upon reality.